I'm often asked how important interior design is. Well, when it comes to sleep and when it comes to designing a bedroom, we are doing one of the most important jobs. We are directly affecting a human being's well-being. I think design has a massive impact on sleep, and I think we often miss that out. If we are able to push ourselves to focus on that, we will live healthier lives, longer lives. Sleep has an immense impact on your memory retention, what you learn during the day, and your mind is able to store that better if you've had a proper night's sleep. Temperature is massively important, and of course, everybody when we talk about temperature thinks about air conditioning units, and if you're really lucky, you've got that built in, or you can get that built in if you are planning. Some people are going to be using their windows. People often think of temperature from an outside source. So of course, if you're able to bring your room temperature down by, X%, then frankly, that's when you will sleep, and that's a fantastic option to have. Your mattress is a consideration when it comes to heat and overheating. There are certain mattress types that frankly will overheat around your body. Memory foam is one of them. A sprung mattress, so with springs, which actually is the most popular type of mattress, is a bit more breathable and allows more airflow. There are so many different types of mattress. There are hybrid mattresses that have a mix of both. I personally like latex mattresses. They are all natural mattresses, but I think you've got to decide what's right for you. When you say lighting, you immediately think of the lights on your ceiling and maybe your table lamps. There is a certain amber colored light which releases melatonin in your body, which allows you to sleep better. There will be lights that you can have in a bedroom that will be dimmer at nighttime and will be set to be dimmer at nighttime and a certain different type of shade at nighttime. Obviously, blackout affects the quality of your sleep. So what you want to do is have as dark a room as possible. What you don't want to do is pull your curtains open in the morning and have this massively bright light shining at you, because it's a kind of shocking light. So you shock your system into waking up really quickly, and what you want to do is have layers of that natural light coming through. So what I love to do is have sheers and then layered up with larger curtains at the front. If you walk into a spa, you immediately smell smells of flowers, smells of nature. There might be smells of lavender oils, geranium, jasmine, depending on, the spa and the space. And you can replicate that within your own bedroom. So, you can have a candle and a diffuser with any of those scents that make you feel more relaxed and more comfortable. I mean, even the scent of roses actually inspires comfort and relaxation. You may find that you can't really, for allergy reasons, bring in plants and flowers, but there are different ways that you can inspire that feeling of nature. So either a wallpaper with a trailing branch with leaves or flowers, and just that inspirational nod to nature is a nice relaxing way of calming your senses in a space. If you're not somebody that likes florals and patterns, then actually you can use nature-inspired colors in a room and overlap those so that they feel really natural and rustic and like the outdoor space, because if you look outdoors, there isn't one color. There are layers of different greens and browns and taupes. If you and your partner don't wake up at the same time and you need to get dressed for work early or go to the gym or whatever it is you're doing, and you're opening doors and shutting them and banging drawers, the other person's going to wake up. So take that into consideration. Make sure you seek out soft closings for wardrobes and for drawers. When you do open your wardrobe doors, see if you can get lights that will open with your doors, because actually that adds a really soft lighting in the room. It means that you can get dressed with some light, but also it means that the whole room doesn't light up. So just your wardrobe, and then it's really easy to get dressed with the other person sleeping. When you're designing a room, make sure sleep is your focus. Whatever it is that means your bedroom is set up for the right kind of sleep, make sure that you go along with it and make sure that is your priority. For the most important part of this video, click the button below and subscribe. Why would you do that to subscribe? I'm not the king or the queen. Okay, try again, wait a minute. It's not supposed to be fun, it's supposed to be very serious. Subscribe to my channel. Is that the hairdryer?